Linear relations and functions. Today, we're going to be talking about linear relations and functions. We're going to go through how to find the equation of a line, how to find the initial value, and how to graph a line. The first thing you should know is that the equation of a line is y equals ax plus b. In this formula, x and y are the variables, and a and b are the parameters. Y usually relates to cost, and x usually relates to time or the quantity of something. A equals the rate of change, and b equals the initial value. Let's start off with some easy examples. A taxi charges y equals 2x plus 5, where x equals the number of kilometers and y equals the cost in dollars. A. How much would an 8-kilometer ride cost? First, we're going to let x equal 8. So, y equals 2 times 8 plus 5. Y equals 16 plus 5. And finally, y equals $21. B. How far can you go with $37? Let y equal 37. 37 is equal to 2x plus 5. 37 minus 5 equals 2x. 32 equals 2x. To find x, you do 32 divided by 2. And x equals 16 kilometers. Now Sahil is going to tell you how to find the initial value.
Finding the initial value and rate of change. In order to find the initial value, we first need to find the rate of change. The formula for this is a equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Given the points p 3,12 and q 5,20, find rate of change, initial value, and equation. 20 minus 12 divided by 5 minus 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Y equals ax plus b. Y equals 4x plus b. At this point, we found A, which is the rate of change. Now we need to find B, which represents the initial value in the formula. We need to substitute a point in order to find B. We are going to choose the points 3, 12. Sub 3, 12. 12 equals 4 times 3 plus B. 12 equals 12 plus b. $12 minus 12 equals b. B equals 0. That means there is no initial value. Therefore, our equation is y equals 4x plus 0.
A plumber charges a fixed amount plus an hourly rate. If Becky pays $235 for 3 hours of work and Johnny pays $495 for 7 hours of work, how much does the plumber charge for transportation and what is his hourly rate? So what we know is the independent variable, which is time in hours, and the dependent variable, which is the total amount charged. We also know 2 points, which are 3, 235 and 7, 495. And then what we don't know is the slope, which is the hourly rate, and the initial value, which is the transportation charge. So to start off, we're going to find A. A is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. A is equal to 495 minus 235 over 7 minus 3. A is equal to 260 over 4. a is equal to 65. So the equation so far is y equals 65x plus b. So now we are going to substitute 2 points. Sub 3 comma 235. So now we have 235 is equal to 65 times 3 plus b. 235 is equal to 195 plus b, and 40 is equal to b. So therefore, the equation is y equals 65x plus 40. So in conclusion, the hourly rate is $65, and the initial value, or the transportation charge, is $40. Now Megan will explain how to graph a line.
This is how you graph a line. First, you need 2 points. The first point is on the y-axis, which is always the initial value. For the second points, choose only reasonable x and then replace x to find y. Now, let's do an example. Example A. Your equation is y equals 0.5x minus 2. So that means your first point is 0, negative 2. So now let x equal 3. So y equals 0.5 times 3 minus 2. Y equals 1.5 minus 2. Y equals negative 0.5. So your second point is 3, negative 0.5. Now B. Y equals negative 2x plus 7. So your first point is 0, 7. Now let x equal 2. Y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 7. Y equals negative 4 plus 7. And y equals 3. So your second point is 2, 3.